TJ?
Yes, yes, yes.
O, Bishop Jerome, pwede ka na?
I'm not worthy to be called bishop. Well, nabanggit na po ni as ayun nga, Alvaro, again, Brother Nonis, maraming salamat at marami akong natutunan sa inyo. Kanina nabanggit yung follow your heart, no, and ito nga, nabanggit nga ngayon ni Brother Bambi yung last verse nung ni Jeremiah na di ba? If I say I will not mention him or speak anymore in his name, there is in my heart as it were a burning fire shut up in my bones, and I am weary with holding it and I cannot. So, andyan parang yung equivalent nung kay di ba? Saint Paul na, woe to me if I cannot share the gospel. I don't know if that is the right parang ganun, 'di ba, yung sinabi ni Saint Paul. So, tama naman si brother Noni, mahirap talaga yung sundan si to follow the Lord. Dahil meron nga tayong bago yung na yung dalawang panuntunan, 'di ba? Ano ba yung dalawang prerequisites to follow the Lord? It's number 1, deny ourselves, take up our cross. And then, third is, follow me. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng deny ourselves? Ibig sabihin, tanggalin mo yung yung paghusga mo, yung reasoning mo, yung anything that is doubting to follow the Lord. So, you deny ourselves. And then, of course, take up our crosses. Kanya-kanya naman tayo ng mga cross. Ako, meron akong mga financial, di ba? That is my cross. So I just lift it up to the Lord, and I just abandon it. So I just basically deny. And kung ano and alam nyo, it's true enough, no? I think I've already shared this already, and but yun nga, woe to me if I cannot share this so so kahit yun nga, I feel Jeremiah na kinukutya siya na but it's burning in his heart that the word of the Lord. Kung hindi niya ipamalita to, baka mabaliw siya, masiraan siya ng bait or whatever. So I have to share this because of love. Ayan. Because I love you. That's why I am sharing this. That's the message actually. End of sharing. It's yun naman talaga mensahe din connected yung kay Jeremiah is basically actually denying na himself, no? Kumbaga, although yun nga, you deceived me, Lord, you duped me, dinaya mo ako, mga ganyan, no? It's okay. It's okay. So this thing, but the bottom line is, si Lord ang we follow Him kasi siya yung mas may alam sa tayo, kapiranggot lang yung kaalaman natin. At alam natin na yung may alam tayo, pero yung kaalaman kasi natin, paminsan hindi na kay Lord galing yun paminsan binubulong na lang ng kalaban yun, deceive na, uy, talino ka, that you can become like gods. Parang ganun na yung binubulong, no? Parang, yung binulong ng serpent kay Eve, ganun din, that, you can become like gods if you eat this. So, si Eve yung, si Eve yung, ang tawag tinarget ng serpent kasi, pag si kay Adam kasi binigay yung commandment hindi naman naibigay kay Eve. Kaya madaling maloko tong si Eve. Anyway, ayun yung panining lang ng kaaway sa atin hanggang ngayon na kapag mataas yung pinag-aralan mo, ayun nga, yung marami kang PhD. Na-share ko na nga rin yun, di ba? Na, ang dami niyang PhD, pupunta pa ng Japan. But then, yung nagturo sa kanya, gusto niyang maabot yung karunungan ng Diyos. Hindi eh. Ang sabi nung is, you have to empty yourself of yung kung ano man yung mga kaalaman mo ngayon dyan. So, parang na rin yun, equivalent to deny ourselves, empty ourselves. So, kung ano man yung mga PhD mo dyan, doktor ka ba dyan, walang doktor kay Lord. Pinili nga yung mga sina Pedro, di ba, na mga mangingisda lang, walang kaalam-alam yan sila eh. Kumpara sa mga Pariseo na may malaki yung kaalaman. So, woe to these scribes, to these Pharisees, na may na external lang yung kanilang but walang internal. So, we have to become like, yun nga, like child of God who can enter the kingdom of heaven. We act to be like, mga child kasi walang, hindi walang, di ba, very innocent, walang, kaya they can easily deny themselves. Wala silang rights, no? Wala, di ba? So we have to become like child, like Mama Mary, na talagang at her age na 14 or 15, no? Nabanggit nga ni kanina 14 or si Jeremiah, Mama Mary, 14, 15 at that time 16 or very young. But her fiat or yung kanyang let it be done according to me, no? So we just celebrated kahapon yung kanyang birthday. So ang mensahe nga, homily, is also about her humility. So we have to also ask for that Mama Mary's intercession. Kung nahihirapan tayo sa humility, nako, si Mama Mary. Kaya nga, she is conceived of without sin because of her obedience to the word, to the will of the Lord, to God's will. Just follow, let it be done according to me. At sabi nga kanina ni Brother Bambi, dali siya pumunta doon at nang marinig niya na 6 months ng so dala niya rin si Jesus sa kanya. So yung kanyang doon is also to bless Saint John to rin. So talaga namang ni-receive si Mama Mary na sinabihan ni Saint Elizabeth na ano ba yun?
Child lived in my womb.
Live in my womb, and basta meron siya the mother of my Lord. So that's why doon yung Theotokos na mother of God na visit me. So yun yung Magnificat, no? Napakagandang kanta yun. Ako'y nagpupuri sa nagpupuri sa Panginoon. Nagdalak, di ba? Parating kinakantayan kay when we celebrate Mama Mary's birthday. So very helpful, no? Yung kumbaga kung nahihirapan tayo to follow the Lord, si Mama Mary, shush! Kumbaga, she is the kung yung mga na kinukutya yung mga ibang sekta na direkta lang kay Lord o kay okay lang naman yan. Naglalakad lang sila or papunta kay o nagsiswimming. Si Mama Mary, gagamit ka ng racket. Papunta kay Lord. Racket na kasi wherever Mama Mary is, andun si Jesus eh. Do whatever He tells you. So we always intercede, no? Yung through Mama Mary's itong rosary, I really impress my I love you kay Mama Mary to her rosary. At she was able to kasi crush the head of the serpent. So kung tayo I mean takot sa kalaban o yung tayo mapaniwala or andyan yung si Mama Mary, tawagin mo lang si kagad. Tatakbo na yung yung kalaban natin. So ang pinaka lang talaga diyan, punto is deny ourselves lang mga kapatid. Sabihin, empty ourselves, empty our thoughts, so that Jesus na ang siya na ang mamuno sa atin. Wag ka na magdalawang isip, si Jesus ba talaga yung nag-speak sa akin? Isip daw the Holy Spirit. Wag mo na, just full trust. Jesus, I trust in you. And then, of course, pag yung carry ng cross, together naman kayo ni Jesus. Hindi, mas maano kasi kung kayong dalawa, you unite your pain, nabanggit nga ni Brother Noni, paminsan, you don't pray na for yourself. Pag nagkasakit, you even offer that prayer to others so that it's, tawag yan parang co-redemptrix ka na rin Or, ano ba yun? Yung sabi ni Pope John Paul, the redemptive suffering. Yan. So, I think napaganda ng mensahe ng ating gospel. Kasi alam niyo, 'di ba, sinabihan pa nga si si Pedro. Before that gospel, pinuri siya kasi you are sinabi niya, you are my God, ang tawag nun. Kasi at flesh and blood, it's the Father who reveals that you are the Son of God, di ba? Parang yun yung But ngayon, si Pedro naman, sinabihan siyang, get behind me, Satan. Kasi nga, hadlang ka sa aking, sa will ni Lord. So that's why, kasi nga, yung human will ni Pedro, yun yung ang namaya, because nga, human naman tayo. That's why, binigyan tayo ni Lord ng formula na deny ourselves, take up your cross, so that you can follow Jesus. So, ayun lang po yung aking gustong i-share. May God be praised, may God be adored, loved, blessed, and thank you. I love you, Lord.
Thank you.